Come and cook with Nene Chef. Let's learn fun recipes and fall in love with cooking.
Wow, Nene! It's lava! Know that we can cook a chocolate lava cake? No? We can cook it! Let's go to the kitchen! Let's go! Hi guys! Hi friends! Hi Nene!
Hey guys! Hey mate!
And welcome to our channel! Don't forget and like. Yes. Okay, Nene. We come here to make a chocolate lava cake. Yes? Because we were making experiments and we were making lava. Okay? And we were thinking that you guys and your moms and your dad will love this. And we are going to teach you how to cook it. No, Nene?
Yeah.
We have a lot of mini friends that come today to our channel and two big friends.
Talk to me!
Okay.
Talk to me! Una.
Let's do that. We are going to count with you, but we are going to count 2 by 2 because we have 2 dinosaurs, 2 octopus, 2 pigs, 2 cats, 2 elephant, sea animals, 2 hippopotamus, and 2 what is that? Unicorns. Okay, let's count. How many pairs do we have? Okay, we have. This one is no pairs. This one is 1.
Una, 2,
6 and 7, and we have 1 elephant and 1 dog. That is Nene's Hanhan. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Let's start, Nene. What's the first thing that we need to do before cooking? Wash your hands. Let's go here. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. What's the second thing that we need to do before cooking? Turn on the oven. We are going to turn the oven at 450. You cannot turn the oven, remember. You need to have the supervision and authorization of an adult, okay? Okay? But guess what? You guys and you, Nene, need to guess what we need. Think. What we need for and you, Hanhan, and you, Elephant, and all the mini friends need to think what we need to make this delicious and yummy lava chocolate cake. What do you think? Vinegar? No. As a kiss. Baking powder? Do you think that we need baking powder to make the yummy lava cake?
No.
We use baking soda for make cakes, but for this recipe, yeah, we don't need it. Okay? No. Think, Nene, think kids. What we need? And Oreos? No. We don't need Oreos. We need something that is dark, that is brown dark. What do you think that is something that is brown dark? Brown color? No. No. For this delicious recipe, you will need, and you kids will need, dark chocolate, vanilla, flour, and where are the eggs? and egg. And butter. Butter is important today, okay? What we are going to do first is we are going to measure all the ingredients that we need, okay? The first thing that we need is 150 grams of chocolate, okay? You are going to put it here until you see here 150, okay? 150. More? 125 and 50.
Yay.
What are you doing, Nene? No, Nene. We are trying to measure the food. Next, we need a stick of butter or half cup of butter. This is a stick of butter or a half cup of butter. Put it there. Yes. The vanilla we have it there, and then we have 4 eggs. We just need 2 eggs and 2 yolks, okay? We need sugar, and we need 80 grams of sugar. And until you see here the number 80. It's okay. Good job, Nene. Show the kids what is the number 80. A 0, yes, and 8. Yes, Nene. Next step, we need the flour, okay? And we need 60 grams of flour. 60 grams of flour. Hey, what's the number that you need to look here? 6 and 0. Yes, Nene.
No.
No. More. No, more, Nene. More. Do you see here 60? No. Yeah. What happened, Nene? What happened? Someone is sleeping? Who is sleeping?
No.
These ones.
No.
Oh, wait, go, Kanka. Next step, Nene. We are going to put here 2 eggs. Here. Good job, Nene. And then we need just the yolk, okay? What is the yolk? What is the yolk? The yellow or the white? Yolk is the yellow part, okay? Put here your hand.
Didi mama.
Yeah.
Mama nini nupni hiya didi mama.
Open your fingers a little bit. Yes. Good job, Nene. Put there the yolk. Second yolk. Hold it. Put it there. There. Almost. Good.
Oh no, mom.
Here. Good job. Go to the trash can to put that thing.
Oh no, mom.
The elephant is not a vacuum. Go to the trash can. Nene, next step, we need a bowl, okay? And we need, what we are going to do is, we are going to put the bowl in the pan, then put here the chocolates, all the chocolates, all, and then the butter, good job. What we are going to do is going to the stove, okay, and melt the chocolate with the butter, okay? But wait, you need to have the supervision and authorization to make this in the stove, okay? If you cannot do it, you can ask your mom or dad to help you to melt the butter and the chocolate, okay? Let's go to the stove, Nene. We are here in the stove, Nene. This is how it looks, the butter and the chocolate. And we need to wait a little bit to melt it. And then we are going to mix everything with a spatula. This is how is Nene melting the butter and the chocolate. is how it looks right now. And Nene is with his best friends, Han and the elephant.
Let me see again. Let me see.
Yeah, it's melting.
Yeah.
Yes, it's almost ready.
Nappy, Mama.
Yeah, it's ready, Nene.
Yeah.
Nene, we just melt the butter and the chocolate. Okay. Next step, kids, and next step, Nene, and next step, elephant and Han, and all the mini friends. You are going to put here the eggs. Remember, it's 2 yolks and 2 eggs. Yes, Nene. You are going to put here the sugar. Sugar. Oh, yes. Put here in the electric mixer machine until it gets fluffy again like yesterday. But kids, remember, okay? You need to have the supervision of an adult if you want to use a mixer machine. Turn on. Like this, okay. We need to wait until it gets like whipped and fluffy. Are you fluffy, Nene? No, I want to get dizzy, not fluffy. Wow, Nene, it's looking whipped and fluffy. This is how it looks. It's fluffy. It's ready, Nene. Okay, next step, Nene. Next step, Nene. You are going to put here the chocolate with a spatula. Like this. Oh. Mix everything, Nene. All the chocolate. All. Mix all the chocolate with the eggs and the sugar. Okay, and the next step, vanilla. Not too much. Vanilla.
Are you bad, Mama? She bad.
Yes. And mix.
Yeah.
And next step, you are going to put the flour,
Are
okay?
you no bad, Mama? No.
Mix everything together, Nene. Good job. Good job. You are going to graze these pans, okay? You can make it with a cupcakes pan too, but we are going to use today these ones, okay? And you are going to graze it with butter and flour, okay? If you don't graze this good, what will happen with the cake? It's going to stick, okay? What happened, Nene? What happened, Nene? Are you sneezing again? Good job, Nene. We are going to use an ice cream spoon, okay? And you are going to put the yummy chocolate inside the bowl, okay?
No.
Like this, okay? Good job, Nene. Here. All, everything. Nene, we are going to put this in the oven for 10 or 8 minutes, okay? Nene, open the oven! It's time to clean up! Clean up! Clean up! Clean up! Clean up! What happened, Nene? We have chocolate in all the place. The lava is going out from the oven. What happened here, Nene? We have lava chocolate in all the kitchen. Uh-oh. What happened, Nene? Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nene, the taekwondo Nene is here. He's jumping with you, Nene.
Oh no!
He's jumping with you, Nene. Uh-oh. And Nene Chef is here too. They are jumping with you. This is the lava cake that Nene cooked. This is how it looks. Wow, Nene, look! You have your lava cake. This video is finished. Invite your friends to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.